Alright, so today we are going to be installing a Mighty Mouse catch can, and it's the one that mounts to the brake master cylinder with the bracket that they provide. And then we opted to use pretty much OEM connectors instead of AN lines or AN fittings, just for simplicity and easier to install. Pretty much one of the main reasons why I'm doing a catch can is because every couple thousand miles I get a low oil level warning sign in the dash, and we knew that we were going to be having issues with this motor due to the fact that we had a lot of blow by coming out of the oil fill. So we know that this motor has its days numbered, so in order to try to make it survive a little longer, we are going to be adding a catch can. So hopefully that'll give me a year or two. Right now this is not the main priority. The main priority is the OBS, so I need to keep this truck running long enough for me to finish the OBS. Once the OBS is done, then we'll jump back into this one. So like I said, Mighty Mouse catch can, we're going to be installing it right next to the brake master right here, and we're just going to run two simple lines. That should be it. Pretty quick and easy install. I have looked online and I have yet to see a Mighty Mouse catch can install on a LT Gen 5 truck. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're gonna start up by loosening up the nuts holding in the brake master. As I was tightening it down, the nut on this side, so I was tightening it down, the bracket started opening up a little bit. So all I'm gonna do is just bend it back in. Alright, I try to put the bracket as straight as possible, as parallel with the brake master. That way it looks nice and uniform, not all crooked and out of place. Alright, now I'm going to remove the hose with the fittings that I'm going to be tying into, just because I'm going to do that before I mount the catch can, just that way it won't be in the way of me trying to pull it out. See how it goes. So now we are going to put this. This is what holds the catch can to the bracket. So now I gotta figure out how I want this little tightening fitting. If I want it facing forward or do I want it facing back. I think I'll put it forward. It looks more uniform facing forward. So alrighty, that's not going anywhere. So I would like to have this facing forward just so you can see where your oil level is at, but my first fitting and line is going to go towards the front, towards the bottom of the throttle body, and my second one is going to go right in the middle of this intake. So I'm probably going to put it like this. See, I would like to put it like that. Then you got the logo facing forward as well, but I guess that's not an option. Well, put it sideways, open up the bracket. All right, so I have this one facing the front, and I'm gonna route it towards the intake, and the one in the back is gonna be a short one towards the middle of the manifold, the intake manifold. They also provide you with the hose. So this is pretty long. I doubt I'm gonna need it all, so we're just gonna do one at a time. We're gonna mount the front up first, and then we'll do the one in the back. So these two straight fittings, I'm gonna use these for the motor, and then the 90 I'm gonna use it for the front, and then the 45 I'm gonna use it for the back. It'll be a short run. All right, so I have one side pressed in. Press it in by hand. It ain't that tight. It ain't that hard to press in. I'm gonna route it through here. Seems to be the best route to go. Alrighty, so that one's in. Now, this one, let's see if it's gonna be here. I'm gonna cut it right here. Press it in by hand. on to the other side, and then we'll be done. Well, there you have it. Mighty Mouse catch can installed. Routed to the middle of the manifold. And then this side to under the throttle body. Brackets fully tightened down. Same thing with this Allen bolts, tightened down. So it's not going anywhere. Looks pretty good. I try to get this hose out of the way of the oil fill cap. So I guess we'll keep an eye on the level and see how long it takes for it to fill. All right, so there you have it. Catch can, Mighty Mouse catch can install complete. Why we went with the Mighty Mouse catch can, and I could have gone with the cheaper option like an Amazon special or something super cheap, but I like to put quality parts at my trucks, my vehicles I should say. That way they last and I know I'm getting good product. Yes, they all do the same thing. Generically they all do the same thing, but confident that this one will do a little better. Plus it looks 10 times better than an Amazon special. There you have it. That's it. Mighty Mouse catch can install. It takes about, if I wasn't to be recording or anything, if I was just to be straight working, 15 minutes I would say, 30 minutes max. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, we got more content on the way.